Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to see your Instagram account history. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can see your Instagram account history but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can see your Instagram history. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you will see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then once you're on your profile page, simply tap on these three horizontal lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will see in here your activity. Simply tap on this your activity. And then from here, you have to scroll down and you will see in here account history. Simply tap on this account history. And then in here you will see your account history. You, will, you can also see here this week and this month. And you can also see this year and the earlier. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can see your account history, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can see your Instagram account history, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.